The first time I was working with standards was during my education as a technical management and marine engineer. We were looking into electrical standards and machine standards. And afterwards I was employed by a machine manufacturer. We were doing machines with functional safety, and my manager asked me to get along into standardization work. Right now I'm involved in the National Technical Mirror Community under TC44. During this workshop I've really seen how IEC is organized. I think first time I saw IEC, the structure of IEC, I couldn't find out where to begin and where to stop. And now I know how it's built and how it's working. And during the CAP meeting, I was also the TC meeting, I was very impressed to see how they are doing the meetings. I mean, even though they have different backgrounds and agendas with the meetings, they're very polite and professional to each other and speak very slowly and correct. And each time they make a decision, the chairman, he announces what the result are on the agreement, so everybody agrees, and then put it directly into the minutes of meeting. I mean, that I can take back into my daily work life. After the workshop, I'm still involved in the National Mirror Community on the TC44. That was given to me by the Danish standard, the national community, for involving at young professionals. So I'll participate in the national community mirror for 1.5 years for free. And afterwards, I don't know what will happen then, but that's the start for me. For me personal and for the companies, we have achieved that during this young professionals, that we are in front line of making new standards in our area. Normally a standard from when they're making the first draft until it's approved, it'll be approximately 2 years. So we know what's going to happen in 2 years' time from now, approximately. So we're in before the first line. So we know how to adjust our company. For next year's young professionals, I will recommend them to be down with the shoulders and experience it, and just talk to each other and feel that it's okay to be different and meet where you are. I mean, that's a big thing about this IEC, meeting with different backgrounds into a consensus.